guys, for long I have been traveling and trying to capture things differently. I have always been looking for new perspectives, and now it's time to add a new tool to my arsenal, and that will completely change the game. Yeah, it's the DJI Mavic Air, and it is my first drone. So this is the Mavic Air Fly More combo, so you get more batteries and extra propellers. We'll see what it is inside. So let's unbox. Wow. So Fly More combo comes with this side shoulder bag, and looks very premium as well. So let's put that here. Let's see what else is inside. Wow. I guess this is the drone. See the size of it? So there are a lot of manuals in here. You have one for the air, then you have fly mode, charging hub, and a lot of stuff. We'll see about that later. And you have the propeller guards, so in case for beginners like us, this will be really helpful. And I've also bought the USB car charger and ND filter kit, so you can, I'll explain about that later. So I think all the battery hub and all those remote control comes in this. So let's open this shoulder bag. This looks very premium. And yeah, here is the controller. So this is very small. Looks very neat. So here is where you put your phone as well. The antennas come like this. Good features. And believe me, these are the joysticks which can be unscrewed, and you can just screw it on. So once you have used it, you can just put it back here and put in a pocket. This is the extra set of propellers that they have sent for us. This comes only in the Fly More combo. And the cable for charging and transferring the Mavic content. And USB Type-C and micro USB for other smartphones. And this is the charger. So this is the small for the battery charger. And this is for the micro USB. If you have to charge, copy the content from the drone, this is how you do it. You connect it to this cable right here. And this is the extra set of joystick knobs in case you lose them. And because it's the Fly More combo, I get 2 extra batteries. It's good. And also the battery USB hub where I can charge 4 batteries at a time. So that is really helpful. And finally, the adapter. So it comes with a power surge controller, so you can easily charge. And also you have extra USB ports which you can use as power bank. You can charge your mobile or your other devices. And finally, I'm going to show you the real stuff. This is the Mavic Air. See the size of it. It is this small, and it can shoot 4K at 30 frames and 1080p at 120 FPS. So that is pretty amazing. Looks very neat. between DJI Spark and Mavic Pro. So it is smaller than the Mavic Pro, but size wise it is bigger than Spark, but it's pretty hard, so I think I'll have to open it. Oh, this way. Cool. Wow. So it just unwinds like this. So they have asked me in the videos to put this antennas back. This will act as a lift for the gimbal. And here is the gimbal cover. So it's removed like this. So you can see this is the camera, and it has a 3-axis gimbal. Looks. It's just the size of the fan. That is what DJI Mavic Air is all about. So I have seen a lot of my friends use different drones over the past few years, but then I really quite never wanted to have a big drone like the Phantom or even the Mavic Pro, which kind of felt big for me in my bag, travel bag, especially because I do a lot of travel. But then DJI Spark came out, but it was a bit low on quality, and it didn't really suit my needs. But then DJI made this amazing piece of drone, that is the Mavic Air, which will fit right into any travel bag, and you can carry it around anywhere. So that is what made me buy this drone, and I'm sure this will give me great footages in my travels. So let's see the battery. Okay, this is how you remove the battery. It's very easy, and you can check the battery power here by pressing. That's pretty good. So Mavic Air has new features added to it that was not there in Mavic Pro. So that is sensors at the rear end of the drone, and it comes with an internal 8 GB memory. So you don't have to. That is, if you forget your memory card, you can still record something in your drone, which is a new good thing for us photographers. We always forget to take our memory cards. And rest wise, this looks pretty good. You cannot remove the propellers, you cannot bend it the way you could do with the Mavic Pro. So, but you don't need that because it's already very compact. You can just, see, it's done. This how smoothly you can just put back your drone into its position, and it's very smooth. See, the controller of Mavic Air is slightly smaller than the Mavic Pro, but you don't have the screen that came with Mavic Pro right here, so you will have to depend on your phone to look at the readings on all those things that come up in the feed. So you can just open it like this. So by default they have the lightning USB cable for iPhones, but you have extra cables that is provided in the pack for type C and the normal USB, so you can connect any of your smartphones with your controller. And like I said before, the joysticks are thumbs can be unscrewed and put back here, and it's pretty easy stuff, but get ready to lose them. So DJI have already provided with 2 extra ones in case you lose these, but it feels good. So let me now fix my phone into this, and you have to download the DJI app, that is the DJI Go 4, and once you have the app installed, you can integrate it with the remote control. So then you don't have to connect it to the Wi-Fi, so it works easier. You can have access to your Wi-Fi but still control your drone and the controller from your phone. So I'm gonna switch on the remote control right now. So you just press and then half press it again. Yeah, the remote control is on, and you have to integrate it with your app. It will show a firmware update. So you have to update your firmware in all cases to start your drone or the remote control. Now I'm going to switch on the drone. So it goes the same way, press it and then keep pressing it. And the lights come up and the propellers show sort of weird movements. And all sort of LED lights turn here at the rear. and that sound signifies the drone is ready, and the rest controls are on the remote control and on the phone. So that I'll take this outside and show you the first flight of this drone. So that is it, guys. This is the Mavic Air and the Fly More combo, and you can watch my first flight of this drone right here. And if you like this video, subscribe for more.